Rohit, are you here?
Hi, sir. Good afternoon.
Very good. Excellent, Ji. Excellent. So, ladies and gentlemen, can we all welcome Rohit Uchil?
Welcome to
Everybody.
Welcome, sir. Welcome.
Welcome, sir.
welcome,
Welcome, Rohit ji.
Welcome, Rohit ji.
Welcome, Rohit ji.
Welcome, Rohit.
welcome, Rohit ji.
Great and great and great and great. Okay. Great. Excellent. So now, Rohit, can you unmute and share what do you do? Where are you from? What's your business? And
Right.
what was life like before BCI?
Okay. Sir, good afternoon, everybody. My name is Rohit Uchil. I'm from Mumbai. I run a small MEP consulting practice. We are consulting engineers. We are design consultants for building services. So all the utilities like air conditioning, electrical, plumbing, firefighting, all the utilities that go into high-rise buildings, hotels, hospitals, all these things are engineered in our office. We are a support for architects and structural engineers. I started my practice in 2004 and it's now been 20 years. But one thing I would like to share at the outset is that I started actually taking some withdrawable profit, like RJ says, in 2020 after I did his course. So that's where my
आपका business consulting का business है?
Yes, sir. Consulting है sir, we are providing services. We do only design. We don't do contracting, sir. हम site पे नहीं जाते हैं. Site पे जाते हैं देखने के लिए, लेकिन सारा चीज all production is on drawing board, sir, on the computer.
आपका सारा काम designing का है?
जी sir.
Like an interior designer, like an architect.
Similar.
Like all the people who are doing various design.
Sir, we are rendering a professional service. We are professional services consultants.
Excellent. And ये जो services जो आप render कर रहे हैं, ये highly specialized हैं कि बहुत सारे लोग कर रहे हैं?
Sir, specialized है, लोग है, but it's not something easy to, because what we do is we amalgamate various services like air conditioning, firefighting, plumbing, all under one roof. You will get many air conditioning consultants, you will get many firefighting consultants, you will get many electrical consultants. But mechanical, electrical, and plumbing consultants together there are, sir. Now there are. When I started, there weren't, sir, but now it is quite fairly popular.
Great. So, Abhi, what was your situation before BCI?
Sir, sir, I have no background, sir. No business background. I started in a company, and then I joined a consultant. So in 2004, when I decided to start on my own, for the first 3-4 years, we were a team of 3-4 people, and I used to do everything on my own. So we saw good growth. Every year we grew 40%, 50%. But then I reached that stage where we started growing quite big, and then things started to get, it was all hand to mouth. I had absolutely no time. I was working from morning, so not 9 o'clock, because I used to get in only at about 11 o'clock, 11:30, because I used to finish late. And then the end time was not fixed. It could be any time. Never got a chance to take a, sir, even when I took a vacation, it was, completely either on the phone, and international vacation, though, sir, I try to avoid, because that whole, after spending all that money and going abroad and coming back, the after effect or hangover was too much.
Okay.
So that's how it was.
सुबह 11 बजे से लेकर रात को कितने बजे तक काम कर रहे थे?
सर 11-12 कभी भी, सर, ऐसा कुछ ना फैमिली का टाइम था, ना कुछ भी नहीं था, सर. और अगर काम है तो करना है, because we were doing everything on our own.
And आपकी क्या ग्रोथ रेट थी जब आप BCI आए थे? परसेंटेज ग्रोथ रेट?
Sir, 10%, 20% और stagnant, no growth, same revenue, sir. वही होता था, सर. जो भी
क्या टर्नओवर था जब आप आए थे?
सर मैं
जब
डेट फ्री था, सर डेट फ्री था, आई डेंट हैव एनी ऐसा कुछ बैंक लोन ओडी ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं था, लेकिन मैं कुछ घर भी नहीं लेके जा रहा था सर। सर मेरा जब भी बीसीआई में आपके पास आया था, आई वाज एट 1.3 सर, 1 ऑफ रेवेन्यू, दैट्स
So-
फीस और फीस कलेक्शन।
1 करोड़ 30 लाख रुपए सालाना आपका टर्नओवर था।
जी सर।
ओके, वेरी नाइस। सो देन
और मेरा टीम स्ट्रेंथ उस टाइम पे कुछ 17-18 थे सर।
17-18 लोग थे। अच्छा, चैलेंजेस और क्या क्या थे, प्रॉब्लम्स और थी क्या?
सर प्रॉब्लम्स तो वही सर, क्वालिटी, बीइंग एबल टू डिलीवर ऑन टाइम, बीइंग एबल टू मेक श्योर दैट, सर हमको पता ही नहीं था कि बिलिंग क्या प्रोजेक्ट हुआ है, कौन से स्टेज पे है और उसको बिलिंग करना है नहीं करना है। हर महीने के एंड में 25 तारीख को वो स्टार्ट होता है, क्लाइंट को फोन करके, बाबा थोड़ा कुछ पैसा दो, दे सकते हो क्या, मुझे सैलरी भरना है। तो ऐसे ही होता था सर, इट वाज कंप्लीटली हैंड टू माउथ, देयर वाज नो, आई हैड नो सिस्टम, आई हैड नो, इट वाज कंप्लीटली बाय गट फील। ये ऐसा लग रहा है कि हाँ ये प्रोजेक्ट में हमने काफी काम किया है, चलो देख लेते हैं, कुछ डेटा निकालो और फिर क्लाइंट को फोन करना शुरू करो। तो वैसे ही चल रहा था सर।
और लोग काम करते थे आपकी टीम में कि क्या होता था, लोगों से काम करवाना कैसा चैलेंज था नहीं था?
सर सर वो तो एज इन, इफ यू डोंट हैव एनी सिस्टम इन प्लेस, देन everybody comes to office and they do, zoom in zoom out, and you will not even know. People who are coming to your cabin and telling you, boss ये problem है, ये मेरे को solve करके दो, तो आपको ऐसा लगता था कि ये बहुत काम कर रहा है, मेरे पास frequently आ रहा है, तो उसको ज्यादा सा थोड़ा ये होता था। तो वो सब, that is standard sir, that was going on for a long time. Sir, we had a big problem collecting fees, even fees due to us. We had a problem because the client would find some कि आपने ये नहीं दिया है। मतलब अगर 80 टास्क है जिसके वजह से हम जो हम पूरी करके 5 लाख रुपया या 10 लाख रुपए का फीस कलेक्ट कर सकते हैं, तो वो क्लाइंट मेरा 1-2 टास्क निकालता था जिसका वैल्यू शायद 500 रुपये भी नहीं होगा, और वो लेके हमारा बिल रुक जाता था।
ओह माय गॉड।
तो ये सब चीजें हैं सर, it's not a new story. I'm sure that a lot of people over here will have the same kind of resonance जो जो जिस चीज में कह रहा हूँ, स्पेशली इन सर्विस इंडस्ट्री, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग की अलग अलग इश्यूज है, बट ये था सर।
वेरी गुड। तो आप मेरे पास जब आए थे तो आप क्यों आए मेरे पास, और आपको लगता था कि सर्विस इंडस्ट्री में जहां पर सारा काम खुद करना पड़ेगा आप ये कर पाओगे?
सर मैंने किसी और से सुना कि देयर वाज अनदर पर्सन जो मेरे इंडस्ट्री में है, वो इलेक्ट्रिकल पैनल्स मैन्युफैक्चर करता था, तो उसका स्टोरी मैंने सुना सर, एंड इट वाज लाइक ही वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट माय लाइफ एंड बाय हिज प्रॉब्लम्स, एंड वो आपका पोस्ट कर रहा था। तो उसी दिन मैं लंच पे बैठा था किसी के साथ, वो मुझे बता रहा था, शाम तक मैंने ऑनलाइन जाके चेक किया, दिस वाज नवंबर 2019, and I did your one-day program in December 2019, and I signed up for your four-day program in January 2020.
Okay, so then what happened now? Can you show us some of your systems, service में
Sir,
system?
I can show you some. Sir, what happened was that we were able to bring some order to the way we are working. Sir, I'm actually out on site. I'm in Aurangabad. My internet connection is very slow, but I'll try to show you what all we have. There's a training videos which we've made to train our staff, especially the new joinees and all. But the audio is not working, sir, for some reason. I have very poor bandwidth. But let me try and see what I can share.
Some flowcharts, FMSs.
Yeah, sir, showing you. So I have some. Sir, we are working on, we are putting up some new FMSs. We are fine tuning and making it easier. But so this is our, so we have we have a complete dashboard, and we work from here. So if you look at the top left-hand side over here, these are the various stages in which we are working. There's a DG stage, design development, reports, concept, good for construction, and project development stage. So this is a live dashboard of all the work that is going on. If you see that, the total in the DD stage, there are about 148 tasks, of which 78 are completed and 70 are still in progress. And sir, below this, you can see the, these are the projects that we have, and each task of the project is listed down. So this goes into pages and pages, sir. Sir, also we did the task delegation sheets, and we have employee scores now. So it's very easy for us to find out who's performing how and what is their performance. So this is that's me right on top, and I don't get any job, sir. मुझे zero job है, zero done है, और मुझे कोई increment भी नहीं मिलता है. So that me and my partner there, we right on top, but that the rest of the staff over the team.
So
Sir,
yes,
we are now at 50. Sir, our staff strength has come up to 50. सर, अब पूरा स्टाफ का जो अप्रैल का स्कोर है सर, यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है सर. It's come on this side.
तो सबके KRA KPI बनते हैं सबके,
हाँ सर,
एक एक आदमी के.
एक एक आदमी के.
Very
वीकली
nice.
मीटिंग होता है सर मंडे को. माय पार्टनर बबीता, शी टेक्स इट. आई आल्सो टेक इट समटाइम्स. एंड सर, वो सब knocking on the door. So first of all, I don't have a cabin and I don't have a door. Anybody can walk in and walk out. It's a very open office. Whenever I'm in office, sir, right now I go to office once, twice a week, sir. Otherwise, I'm working from coffee shop, or I go for, so we do some for HNIs and celebrities. So the work happens in the office, but they like to see my face. तो वो meetings के लिए मैं जाता हूँ. So that's more or less what I'm doing.
समझ गए. तो अभी आपका पूरा बिजनेस, पहले जो सुबह 11 से रात के 11 बजे तक आप खुद करते थे, तो अभी आपका सारा काम ऑटो पायलट पे चल रहा है. आपको हफ्ते में कितने दिन जाना?
सर, मेरा क्लॉक आउट अभी 6:30 बजे है सर. आई मेक इट अ पॉइंट टू क्लॉक आउट एट 6:30 एंड आई गो होम.
ऑपरेशन के लिए कितना टाइम लगता है? मतलब ऑपरेशन कंपनी चलाने के लिए कितना टाइम लगता है?
सर, हफ्ते में 2 दिन फर्स्ट हाफ सर.
बस. वेरी नाइस. ये सारे जो सिस्टम बना रखे हैं, ये सारे के सारे, इस पे कोई ERP VRP के पैसे खर्च करने पड़े कि ये गूगल?
नहीं सर, आपके साथ ही तो किया था.
वेरी नाइस, वेरी नाइस.
It's our systems made by us, sir. It's not perfect. I mean, just till now we are working on a completely new FMS, which will be easier, faster, better, lighter. It's a work in progress, but it's okay, sir. The things that we need, we have, and on that basis, we are working.
सारा प्रोजेक्ट इसी पे ट्रैक हो जाता है, एक टास्क.
100% सर.
सारे काम इसी पे हो जाते हैं.
जी सर.
वेरी नाइस, वेरी नाइस. ये वो पूछ रहे हैं जी, कोई बना के देता है कि खुद ही बना लिया आपने ये सब?
सर, it's better if you make it. I'm sure that there's Zoho है market में. There are some local like Indian players, and there are other players, sir, but they'll give you their fixed system. Then if it works for you, it works. अगर चला तो चला, नहीं तो it's a waste of money, sir. मैंने बहुत सारे लोगों का देखा है जिन्होंने ये एक्सपेंसिव सिस्टम्स, ERP सिस्टम्स लगाए हैं, बट हर एक चीज के लिए अगर आपको कुछ चेंज करना है तो उनको बुलाना पड़ता है, उनको पैसे देने पड़ते हैं. महंगा है सर.
वो दिखा दो जरा अपना MIS स्कोर. MIS स्कोरिंग दिखा दो.
एक मिनट सर.
तो ये सारा सिस्टम आपका गूगल पे ही चल जाता है, आपको बाहर का कोई सॉफ्टवेयर?
गूगल पे चल रहा है सर. एक्चुअली मेरा बैंडविड्थ यहाँ पे बहुत स्लो है सर. उसके वजह से मेरा ये शीट्स खुल नहीं रहे हैं. तो जो भी मैंने खोल के रखा हूँ वही मैं दिखा रहा हूँ सर. सॉरी, बट इफ एनीबody is interested, sir, I'll share my this thing. You can get in touch with me. I'm happy to show. अगर कोई बॉम्बे में है तो you are most welcome to visit my office or get on a Zoom call with me, sir.
ओके, एक बार अपना वीडियो डिसेबल करके देखो अगर ये MIS का स्कोर आ रहा है.
I'm just trying that, so once.
वीडियो बंद कर दोगे तो दिस माइट बी डन बेटर.
Yes, sir. सर, I'm outside, इसलिए मुझे ये लॉगिन मांग रहा है।
छोड़ दो इसको, छोड़ दो,
जी सर,
लीव इट। ओके, इसको छोड़ दो, इसको बंद कर दो फिर। ये देन दिस इज नॉट, ये समथिंग वेंट रॉन्ग दिखा रहा है। वैसे भी अपना वीडियो ऑन कर लो। ये सारा का सारा तुम आपने ही बनाया, जो सारा का सारा?
सर वी हैव अ टीम। सर आपने जैसे आपने बताया प्लीज हायर अ MIS executive, तो DME तो we hired immediately, and the entire admin team or MDO is in place. So it is all being done by the admin team. The entire operation, sir, I don't have any head of departments. I don't have any that, I don't have a regular structure. All the operations are run by the operations team, and the total cost of this team is about 1 lakh, about maybe 1,80,000 rupees per month. If I had to put an HOD, I would have ended up spending maybe 1.5 to 2 lakh rupees per month on one particular HOD, and I would have required about 5 लगते थे सर।
वेरी नाइस जी। अच्छा, तो अब एक बात और बता दो कि आपने अभी अब तो आप कह रहे हो सर्विस सेक्टर में भी, जहां पर खुद ही देखना पड़ता है छोटी छोटी चीजें, क्वालिटी चेक, ये वो सब ऑटोमेट हो गया
लगभग? है सर हमारा we are manufacturing drawings, we are manufacturing bill of materials, bill of quantities, and some tender specifications. So these things can be standardized, and you can pick from them. So it's quite easy, sir.
ये सारे जो ड्राइंग डॉक्यूमेंटेशन ये सब होता है, ये सब आप एक बार यू मैनेज टू स्टैंडर्डाइज ऑल ऑफ इट?
Yes, sir, quite a bit. It's always a work in progress. We're always adding new things, but compared to where we started and where we are today, there's a huge difference.
So how much did you grow before and after BCI? कितना ग्रो कर गए?
So when I started with you in 2020, sir, one thing I want to say that when I started with you, we just hit COVID, and my business went to zero because all the projects had stopped, everything stopped. Had it not been for you, I would have seriously considered, shutting down the practice and taking up a job, because I had job offers from developers who were trying to get me to come and do their in-house design. But you can say that had it not been for you, I would not be here, right? I don't know what I would have done. So we were at 1.3 at that time. We closed at about little under 6 years this year.
तो आप पहले 1 करोड़ का काम करते थे साल में, अभी आप
130, 130, 130, 140. Sir, we have gone up to 150 also, but we've not seen steady growth.
तो आप एवरेज आप 1 करोड़ 30 लाख रुपए का काम करते थे, अब आप 6 करोड़ रुपए पे आ गए हो।
जी सर।
अभी ये जो मार्च एंडिंग हुआ है 6x।
जी सर। Sir, this year we have compared to last year, we have almost doubled our profit. Sir, last year I actually went out and shared a lot of our revenue with staff, to make up for the little bit we had. We were very conservative and we were very careful.
Never mind that
COVID time.
अभी वो नहीं हजम होगा इनको, अभी नए बच्चे हैं तो अभी इनको कहाँ समझ में आएगी। सो एनीवे, वो बेसिक्स अभी बेसिक्स ही समझ में नहीं आ रही, ये सिस्टम कैसे लगेंगे। अभी तो दे आर ऑल स्ट्रगलिंग विद, मेरी कंपनी में हो सकता है, मेरी इंडस्ट्री में हो सकता है, मेरे काम में हो सकता है कि ऑटो पायलट और डबल योर प्रॉफिट पास पॉसिबल भी है क्या। सो दैट्स वेयर वी आर।
2-3 चीज मैं कहना चाहता हूँ सर। The things that helped me, first of all, I would like to say, so whoever is in manufacturing, this is like a free gift for you. Whoever is in manufacturing, I mean, you can raise your hand or whatever you can say, because just by implementing 1 or 2 of RJ sir systems, you will recover all your money and more and how and everything. Even just that inventory management system में मेरे जितने भी batchmates थे, उन्होंने सारा पैसा वापस ले लिया सर, and more and growth and everything. So definitely, I think majority of people are in manufacturing, but I can tell anybody who's in services, financial services, architect, chartered accountant, engineering consultant, lawyer, all of you, I mean, because our systems are actually much more simpler. They are a little easier to get done. Once you put your mind to it, एक बार आपने मन लगा दिया उसमें और काम कर दिया, So there is no stopping you, and it will definitely set you apart from other professionals in your line. Sir, the second thing, जो दूसरी चीज मुझे जो बहुत help किया, sir, पहले वो ओनर का मेंटालिटी था ना सर, ओनर ऑलवेज ईट्स लास्ट, सर सबको खिलाएंगे, कुछ बचा तो हम खाएंगे. तो दैट मेंटालिटी वी चेंज्ड आफ्टर आरजे. ओनर हैज टू ईट फर्स्ट. जैसे आप अगर प्लेन में बैठे हो and you get the safety announcement that says that, you know, if oxygen mask drop down, you know, put it for yourself, and after that help infants and children. So that is why I am able to take out some withdrawable profit from the practice. So we instituted immediately your 4-account system. Sir, I'm audible, na? Ajay sir, I can't hear you.
I can hear you. We can hear you.
Yeah.
Yes.
So we instituted the 4-account system, sir. I don't know if you've talked about it. आपने बताया नहीं बताया?
नहीं बताया.
So that is like gold. मतलब आप कोई और सिस्टम नहीं चलाओ, ये 4 अकाउंट का सिस्टम आप चलाओगे एंड सिंसियरिटी से चलाओगे तो a lot of things become very easy to manage. Especially in our, sir, it's a very small practice. We are not running some big manufacturing enterprise with 200, 300, 500 workers, but it helps.
और ये सर्विस
These are
सेक्टर में लगता है पूरा.
service sector में क्यों नहीं? It's all the same, sir. We are, if in manufacturing, somebody who is manufacturing this shirt, making buttons, making collar, making sleeve, so we are making drawings. The difference is that something is being manufactured physically, we are manufacturing it virtually.
Very nice, very nice, very nice, excellent. बहुत बढ़िया जी. Anything else that you would like to share with everybody?
Sir, I don't know what is your, sir, I don't know whether your this thing, the advanced program, but your manifestation workshop, everybody should do without even thinking about it. Because
अभी
sir,
बिजनेस के बारे में, अभी बिजनेस
sir,
के बारे
business, sir, it's related to business, na, sir, because it makes your things happen for you, sir. I have to say that things happen for you.
very nice, excellent. बहुत बढ़िया. तो ठीक है जी. Anything last, any last words, then we'll sign off.
All the best to everybody. I mean, if anybody has any doubts, anybody has feelings of hesitation, just follow what RJ is saying, because if you try to use your own brain, you have all been doing for so many years, would not have been sitting here. Follow him, follow his systems, do whatever he says. If he says put to assistants, put to assistants. If he says buy this system or take this training, you please go ahead and take it. If he says read the book, don't read it once, read it twice or 3 times if you cannot understand. The first 2-3 books that he would have told you, that is the one thing, E-Myth Revisited, Profit First, these things, ये सब चीज अपने अब हमें तो 2-3 बार पढ़ना पड़ता है, तभी जाके कुछ अंदर things start to register. So I would advise everybody do the course and go for it, implement. Be in office at 8 o'clock. It's fantastic. If you can get in earlier, it's crazy. It's a you know, your life by 4 o'clock you can clock out. 4 o'clock in the afternoon you will be wondering, मुझे अभी कुछ काम है, क्या करूँ? तो कंप्यूटर को थोड़ा ऐसे करके कुछ वीडियो देख लूँ, तो ऐसा सिस्टम, ऐसा सिचुएशन आ जाएगा.
Very nice, very nice, excellent. बहुत बढ़िया. So, ladies and gentlemen, can we all thank Rohit, especially वो अहमदाबाद से टाइम निकाल के आया.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Rohit.
Thank
you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
It's really very nice.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you for listening, and all the best to all of you. I'll put up my contact number and email in the chat box when sir continues, and please feel free to call me anytime. No problem.
आज मत फोन करना. आज he's outside. तो बाद में हफ्ते में फोन कर लेना. डाल दो सर. डाल दो.
Anytime, sir. All right. Thank you, Ajay sir.
Thank you so
All
much.
the best. Thank you. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. See you. Bye bye.